We've been traveling about 225 kilometers. It took us about 4.5 hours. We've left the main paved road. This used to be paved. Now it's more potholes than pavement. So you dodge from side to side, trying to figure out which is the best way to go. But thankful to Speed of Light that we have a four-wheel drive vehicle that is able to negotiate these roads. It's a lot of punishment to a car or a pickup, but we are truly blessed. When the Lord calls, He didn't say it'd be easy. He just said go. So, yes, it's difficult, but it's worth it. Every bit of it is worth it. And we're just blessed that God's allowing us to be part of what He's doing at this particular time in Liberia.